Hi, I'm Sean at Durofix. Today, I'll be showing you our Durofix Clutch Range. The Durofix Clutch Range is ideal for setting one repeated application. With an accuracy greater than 1.67 cmk at plus or minus 10%, the Durofix Clutch Range will provide consistent results accurately and precisely. The Durofix Clutch Range features customizable tool parameters that ensure correct shutoff conditions are reached. Real-time operator feedback is provided through status lights and audible buzzers. All tools within the Durofix Clutch Range come to standard with two-way wireless communication through Bluetooth for full fastening traceability and process control. The Durofix Clutch Range offers user-friendly tools that increase productivity and reduces defects for your applications. Thank you so much for your attention today. I've been Sean at Durofix. Any inquiries, please email sales@durofix.co.uk.